What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Sean, and today we're going to be working on my 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. Now, if you look at the truck, you may notice a little something fishy right here. That's right, I got a stick propping up my hood. My hood lift supports are trash. They don't hold it up. They haven't for a while. So today we're going to be getting rid of that stick. Now, to replace my old ones, I picked up these Vepagoo lift support struts from Amazon for $17. Felt like that was a great deal. They come with the pair, so it comes with both of the struts. I was looking at some of the other parts stores, and you could get one for only, $22 to $25 for only one of them. So I feel like getting $17 for the pair, depending on the quality, is good. These feel pretty strong. They also come with illustrated color instructions as well as written instructions on the back of the package. So I feel like that's pretty nice, and all we're going to need is a screwdriver. Now, to get started taking off the old ones and putting on the new ones, we're just going to use the screwdriver to pry up under this U-clamp on both ends. So we'll just stick the screwdriver underneath, twist it to pry it up, pull it off the ball joint on the old one. So there's my stick. So we'll just pry it up, pull it off that ball joint there, and the top. Do the same thing, putting it back on. Pry open that U-clamp, stick it on. Pry open the U-clamp on the bottom, stick it on, and that's it. Pretty simple job. Should be nice and easy to do. So let's get started. So to get started, we're going to keep the hood supported. So when we take this off, it still doesn't fall because we still don't have any support. So we're just going to take the screwdriver, stick it up under this clip, pry it up both sides, and pull it out. Just as simple as that. So now we have the top done, we're going to do the bottom. Now we're going to go through the same process for the bottom clip. Stick the screwdriver in, pry both sides open, push it off. Now we got this side off. Now that we have both of the clips off and the old strut off, going to install the new one. Going to use the same process as the old one. The new ones, these ones do require a smaller screwdriver, smaller head. So I did switch. So again, just take screwdriver and pop up the clip on the end. To open it up, press that on, and push that clip back down. And there we go, we have this top installed. Now moving on to the bottom. Alright, now that we have this top done, I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom. We're going to take and pry open this clip. And it actually looks like we're going to have to push this back a little bit to make it fit. So that's what I'm going to do. I have the clip open. I'm just going to push back, slide it right on, make sure that clip seats in there nicely. And there we go. Now we have it. We have the first side installed. So now, that looks much better. So now, I'm going to do the same exact thing to this side. Just for my own entertainment. Let me see. Wow. So that's how weak these old ones are. I just took the stick out, and the new one is holding up the hood by itself. So that tells you something right there, just how weak and worn out the old ones were. So that's a really good thing to see. I'm excited about that. So now let's get on to the new one. Alright, so there we have it. Both of the new hood lift supports installed. Now got a little test close. Oh, that is much, much stronger. Now lifting it back up. Look at that. That is amazing. Alright, so just a quick tip as I learned while I was doing this. An easier way to hold the clips open I found was just to stick the screwdriver under the clip and leave it there. And then as you put it on the ball that it goes on the actual hood, to just pull it out. You know, when it slides on, just pull the screwdriver out, and it worked much easier. So that'd be my tip that I learned as I was doing it. But that's it. 2 brand new ones. It's going to be so much nicer just working on the truck, working on the engine, other things, not having to have the stick in the way, not having to have that stick carried around with me all the time. So this is so much better. So much easier, and then look at that. That is much better. So I'm going to give this stick a nice send off. It's proper send off, probably throw it in a fireplace or something, burn it. But there we go. 2 brand new hood lift supports installed. Super simple job. And that's it for this one, guys. Hope the video helped you. Hope you're able to get yours fixed. It's a really simple, easy thing to do. Just takes a few minutes. So I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Be on the lookout for future videos. I know my U-joint is starting to squeak a little bit, so that's probably a future video coming. So I hope this helped you. Stay tuned for future videos. See ya.